the stand PSA.
You gotta open it like this.
PSA.
Right?
Oh!
No. It's not. It doesn't show for us because I flipped the cards. One.
I'm going to say the name in French. Fantominus.
It's a ghastly.
No, it's Fantominus.
Fantominus. Pokédex.
Pokédex.
It's in Japanese.
Nidoran.
It's blurry. Hold on, I think I can fix it. Fuck, how do I? Okay, here we go.
Staros.
Oh my god.
Otari.
Are these the actual names?
Yeah. No, I'm not...
Okay.
It's the actual French names. Oh, Petitard.
Charizard! Charizard! I don't think this is the one. No, it's not yet.
Smogogo.
Okay, I think it's this one.
Okay.
It's this one! It's this one! It's this one! It's this one! It's Charizard! PSA 10! Come on! Come on! Come on! Wait, what? Wait, no, it's not this one. No, it's this one! 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 Okay. Okay, come on, baby! Come on, baby! I need this! I need this! Wait, no. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flip this, and then I'm gonna open it like this. Okay, ready? 3, 2... Oh my god, bro. I didn't get a single holo.
600.
Holy
It's okay. Look. Cool, no? Looks good.
Is this even holo? It's not even holo, bro.